Okay. Action.
Ooh, action. I got the magic word. Hi guys, this is Neo of Ahhhsoneo. Welcome back to my channel. I have a tiny little unboxing today. If you want to see what I picked up from Chanel, then keep watching. So, yes, I picked this little thing up from Chanel, and the white bag is throwing me off. It's throwing me off. If you know anything about Chanel, you know that beauty products come in a white bag, but if you buy small leather goods, it comes in a black bag. So, now that you're confused, I will show you. Definitely not a beauty product. This is something new that I picked up. I picked it up when I was with the voice that you heard at the beginning of this video, otherwise known as Diane. Oh, let's see what's in here. I have a little thing in here. It says Petite Maroquinerie, and it's the little handbook thing. I have no idea what Petite Maroquinerie means, so I'm not going to say anything. I'm probably not even pronouncing that right. But this is basically the handbook that talks about how to take care of my item here. I hope you guys can see this. I'll take pictures of close-ups. I've been sitting on this for about a week, so I'm really, really ready to do this unboxing. It is, and I love it because my SA, who I recently started working with here at my local Saks, he made a point of finding one that was brand new and still has the tape on top of the gold hardware here. So this is, okay, this is an O card. It's 18p, and then it is Chanel caviar leather in gray with gold hardware, although the hardware does look a little aged. It's a card hole number in gray, and the stock number, or whatever they call it, is A84431, Y83406, 4B477. So I'll try to link that down below. It is a little card holder. It's got space up top here, and this is where my authenticity card is. And then it has a slot up front and 2 slots in the back. And I'm really, really excited because it's the boy bag type of look to it. And if you watched my 2018 luxury wish list, you'll know that I have a boy bag on that wish list. I also have a gray bag, although I am thinking more Saint Laurent than I was thinking Chanel. But I figured this will go excellent in said future boy bag and also in said future gray leather bag. So, right on time, there goes my washing machine. So yeah, I'll have close-ups of this. This is going to probably be the quickest unboxing I ever did. I don't have a story. He sent me a picture. No, he sent me pictures of boy bags. I said, that's not in my budget right now. It's not. And I said, do you have any card cases? And he sent me some pictures, and this was one of them. Oh, yeah. And this was one of them. So I did think, you know, I might not have boy bag money, but I can definitely grab one of these. So I'm really glad that I did. Yeah, so that's it. That is probably the shortest video that I have on YouTube. But that was my unboxing of my Chanel leather goods, my little O case, little card case. So thanks guys for watching. Mwah. Bye. Stay blessed. Thank you so much if you're a new subscriber, and thanks for coming back if you're a returning subscriber. Guys, stay blessed. I hope 2018 is fantastic for you. It's been wonderful so far, so stay warm.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like, and comment.
Perfect. You can do this again. You gotta love my director. I love her. Bye.